Up, back again with another video. Today I just want to show you what is on my Moto E5 Plus. So basically my home screen setup of my Moto E5 Plus. Let's get started. As you can see on the top, this is the Moto E5 Plus clock widget. It shows you the weather, the time, and the date, November 25th, Sunday. And you also get the ring around this is the battery percent. So as the battery slowly gets down, the ring slowly gets down. And I love that little animation because I don't like showing the percent of the battery on top in my notification bar, but I like this just to know that it's leaving because I don't want to know actually what percent I'm on. I know when I need to charge my phone because it gets low. So with this, it'll tell me and I will know. And if I slide this down, I can see the battery up there. And as of right now, I am running Nova Launcher. I usually put Nova Launchers on all of my Android devices because I usually do not like the way their UI is on their that comes with the device. And I love to have all of my Android devices looking the same with the same apps, same wallpaper, same widgets, and so on and so on. That's just how I rock. That way, when I pick up another device and use it, I'll know where everything is. I don't have to search and look for things because it's set up the exact same way. Some people might think it's boring, but it really helps me out a lot, and that's how I like it, and that's how I'll keep it. Every now and then, the wallpaper will change, but the apps will stay the same on the bottom because these are the most apps that I use. These are the apps I use almost every day. I'm in and out of these apps constantly. So I'm going to take you to Nova Launcher real quick and let you see what my screen is set on and everything to get this look. So if you hold down, it'll bring up the different screens. You hit settings, which will be Nova Launcher settings because I'm using Nova Launcher. So for the desktop settings, I have this device set to 7:5. My icon layout is 105. Is 105. Padding is none. My dock icon layout page, I only have one page of docks, 5 icons, and the icon layout is set to 110. My app drawer is set to 6:5. The icon layout is set on 105. That's my sweet spot. I don't want things to be too small, and I don't want things to be too big. It takes up space when they're too big, and if they're too small, then I can't hardly see them. My background transparency in my app drawer is set to 42%. I have frequently used apps to show frequently used apps in the top row. I have the search bar cut on. I have swipe to open on. I have swipe indicator set on, and I have enable fast scroll bar cut on. My look and feel. The look and feel I am using. The icon pack that I am using is the Pixel icon pack. I love it because it makes the icons round. And that's the look I'm going for. And the reason why you don't see my notification bar is because it says show notification bar. I have that checked off. Transparent notification bar, that's cut on. Dock icons, you can make those be dark, but I don't want to because it won't match my home screen setup. Folders, I have folders, but not the way you would think folders would be. So let's go back to the home screen. And as you can see, I have a search bar widget here. This is called Let me find it. Well, I don't have it in here. I'm hiding it. But that's a search bar widget. It doesn't come with the device. It's a widget that I found in the App Store, and I love it, and I use it on all my devices. So let's get to the bottom. Let's talk about these icons that I have. So I have GroupMe, Facebook Messenger, Pandora, Netflix, the Google Play Store, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I have eBay, but once you're on Nova Launcher, you can set another app inside of that app, and you can hit on that app and it'll actually go to that app, or you can swipe up and it'll open up the folder to let you see the other app. And I love that about Nova Launcher. So if I swipe up, oh, I don't have that set, my bad. But if you swipe up, say you wanted to put something else, say you use Amazon. If you wanted to use Amazon, but you don't want it up here because you don't have enough room, you can put it inside of there. And if you was when you would swipe up, it will go straight to Amazon. But if you click on eBay, you will open up eBay. But I do have YouTube. I have my phone, my photo, my gallery, my camera, and my settings, and my text messaging app. And pretty much this is how all of my Android devices are. One screen with one page of icons that I use the most from day to day. And if I slide up here, that is where all of my other icons are that I really don't use on a day-to-day basis, but I have them there because I do use them. So I have Bible, AZ screen recorder. You know, you get the calculator, the calendar, you get Google Chrome, you get clock, you get the contacts. I have copy my data. That allows me to transfer my text messages, photos, and pictures to another device. I have CX File Explorer. I have Docs, Google Drive, Duo. I don't use that, but that was loaded on the device, so I'm just going to leave it on there. I have downloaded files that came with the device. FM radio, that came with the device. Gmail, of course. Google. I have Google One because I'm on Moto. I'm on Metro by T-Mobile's new plan to where I get Google One. It's to where you can save pictures and back up things to. I have Google Maps, Minimum Wallpapers, Mobile Hotspots, Moto, which is an app that came with the device, my Metro, which came with the device, my Nova Launcher settings. I have Google Play Music, Google Play Movies, Showbox, Swift Keyboards, TubeBuddy, Wallpapers, Walmart, and YouTube Studio and Zedge. So that was just a quick little video of what's on my Moto E5 Plus. Just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.